In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an item and track inventory in Zoho Books step by step. If you sell physical products and want to monitor stock levels, costs, and sales inside Zoho Books, setting up your items correctly is extremely important. Once inventory tracking is enabled, Zoho Books can automatically adjust your stock levels whenever you create sales orders, invoices, or purchase orders. This makes it much easier to manage your products and avoid running out of stock unexpectedly. The good news is the setup only takes a few minutes if you know where everything is located. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create a new item, how to configure the product details, and how to enable inventory tracking so Zoho Books can keep track of your stock automatically. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Zoho Books tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, log into your Zoho Books account and open your main dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the navigation sidebar where all the modules are located. Look for the section called Items. Click on Items in the sidebar to expand the menu. Then click on Items again from the drop-down list. This will open the Items Management page where you can see all the products or services currently saved in your Zoho Books account. In the top right corner of this page, you'll see a button labeled New with a plus icon. Go ahead and click the plus New button to create a new item. This opens the item creation form where we'll configure the product details and enable inventory tracking. Now let's configure the item details. The first field you'll see is Type. For inventory tracking to work properly, you must select Goods as the item type. Goods are physical products that you buy, store, and sell, which means Zoho Books can track their quantities. After selecting Goods, move to the Name field and enter the name of your item. This is the name that will appear on invoices, sales orders, and reports. Next, you'll see the Unit field. This is where you define how the item is measured or sold. For example, this could be pieces, boxes, kilograms, or any other unit depending on your product. After selecting the unit, you'll enter the selling price. This is the price you charge your customers when you sell the product. Then enter the cost price, which represents how much you pay your vendor or supplier for the item. These two values help Zoho Books calculate profit margins and inventory valuation automatically. Next, we need to enable inventory tracking. Scroll down until you find the inventory section of the item form. Inside this section, you'll see an option called Track Inventory for this item. Simply check the box next to this option. Once this box is selected, Zoho Books will begin tracking the quantity of this product whenever it is purchased or sold. This means when you create purchase transactions, your stock increases, and when you create sales transactions, your stock decreases automatically. This feature helps you maintain accurate inventory records without manually updating quantities every time you sell something. After reviewing all the information, click the Save button to create the item. Your product is now successfully added to Zoho Books with inventory tracking enabled. From this point forward, Zoho Books will monitor stock levels for this item and update them as transactions occur, helping you stay organized and avoid stock shortages. And that's it. That's how you create an item and track inventory in Zoho Books. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho Books tutorials, accounting tips, and simple software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.